Wow, whale's coming right up.
That's how you're eating.
Look at him.
Like petting the whales.
Oh, he's gonna squash us!
Hey!
That's awesome.
Wow. Oh my god. It's amazing. Unreal.
You're kidding, so you must be like, what is this going?
He's down there, you can't see his tail. He's just gone under. He's going over to the other side.
Running around
He's just going round and round the boat. Is he going to come up again?
There he is.
Here he is.
There he is.
Oh, look at him. Oh, you beautiful darling. Look at him. Oh my god. Hey, hey. Hello, sweetie. Oh, look at him playing. Oh, he's big. Oh my gosh. Hey, sweetie. Hey, sweetie. Look
Alex, you
at
want a
him.
bit of spoon?
I shall call you Humpy.
Little Humpy Dinks. He's going down. He's going down.
I just said Lauren.
Wow. Oh my god, this is amazing.
You know, this is just a daily occurrence for us. It doesn't really bother us.
Is he over there now? Here is he? Here he is. Oh, he's under there.
They really hang around, hey?
Yeah, they're so playful.
We have days where they'll just do this for 3 hours.
What? Yeah, he's coming over. Can you see him? What's he doing? Oh, there they are.
Coming back
Two
again.
boys. Oh my gosh. Look at him. Oh. Oh my god, Mel, look how close he is to you.
Is this the baby?
They're two juveniles apparently, like 14 months or something, the guy said.
Well, I'd say, being a whale expert, not seeing the scars on his back, I'd say he's about 13 months and 14 days.
Good job, your ear chappy. Oh my god, so good. Oh, did he splash you?
Wave!
He's making a wave.
You're gonna wave!
Yay! That was pretty cool. He's a right little show off, isn't he?
It's a right little show.
He's a little show
I
off.
tell all my boys about this one time that I scared all these white fellas.
They come around and have a look at you, sometimes 5 minutes to get
Oh, he's going to be coming back the other side. They keep going round and round the boat. He's there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. He's coming. Hey!
a bit of a spy. I'll brought his eye up to the surface of the water then to have a look at him.
Sarah, did he just nod at me and go, alright, mate?
I'm out.
I think he was laughing at you.
Got some ugly motherfuckers aboard that boat.
So go easy.
He's gone under the boat now. He's gone under.
There you go, it's a bit more of
Oh my goodness, this is amazing. I can't believe this is real. Is he there? He's there. There he is, there he is. Alex, you got a whale. My god, this is just unreal, isn't it?
I'll jump in, I'll rein him in.
We should get the boom net out.
Oh yeah, I don't speak anymore.
I'll be in.
I would definitely be in.
That's just amazing. This is incredible. Oh, he's come back the other side now. Just heard him come up.
It'd be hell cool to swim with them, eh?
Oh, he's coming around.
I don't know.
He's gone back the other side. Oh. They're chasing him now. He's gone the other side. You got him?
No, you're not going to get any closer to a bloody 10-ton animal.
No way. There he is. He's gone down. He's going to pop out over this side, I reckon. Where's he at?
From the Antarctic.
Where are you?
So they go down to the
Where's he at?
Antarctic.
There.
There he is. Oh, look at him, look at him, look at him. Hey! Oh,
Oh, no,
oh my god.
Two of them.
Oh, there's two of them.
So they're the
Ah.
relationship a humpback whale has is with its mother.
This is so cool. There's tail coming out.
The minute that they're weaned, they're on their own.
Oh
How
man.
much bigger will they get?
18, they're probably 8 metres, 9 metres. They'll
Unreal.
get up to 18 metres.
Is he going?
Loving
going
life,
under?
girlfriends. The undress. They're all just running around like kids. I'm so excited. I want to see him again.
What a day.
What a day.
He said this is